Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through St. Thomas. We are looking at the construction of this superhighway known as the Southern Coastal Highway project. This highway is going to run from Kingston to Port Antonio, and it's going to be 110 kilometers a highway, so it's being done in sections. The section from Kingston to Yalos is going to be 17.4 kilometers, and that's the section we're driving on today. Now, we are driving on the section from the Southern Coast Adventure Park to Grants Pen. Now, this section of the highway runs along the existing roadway. So this roadway, which is 2 lanes, will be expanded to 4 lanes. And then, well, we can go through the entire thing. From Kingston to Harborview, it's going to be 17.4 kilometers. From Kingston to Grants Pen, it's going to be 4 lanes. Sorry, from Kingston to Albion, it's going to be 4 lanes. And then from Albion to Yalos, it's going to be 2 lanes. And then from Yalos, you have different sections. For instance, section 1B will be from Yalos to Morant Bay. And you have different sections as you reach Port Antonio. It's being built in sections. Okay, so this is the section we're on between the Southern Coast Adventure Park and Grants Pen. Now from Kingston to from Harborview in Kingston to 11 miles in Bull Bay, the road will be 4 lanes running along the existing road. From 11 miles to the Southern Coast Adventure Park, a new road has been built, which is 2.8 kilometers, and that goes through the hill. That's a new road. Now from the Southern Coast Adventure Park to Grants Pen, that's the road we're on now, the actual section we're on. However, the highway is going to bypass this road. It's being built to the right. But that will be 4 lanes. And then from Grants Pen to Albion, you're going to have a new road. And that will run all the way to Albion. And then from Albion to Yalos, it will run along the existing road, and it's going to be 2 lanes. So this project started in 2017, and the entire highway is scheduled to finish in 2025. However, with such a large project, I don't think it's going to finish in 2025 because the highway has run into some issues, some delays. Now, the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. They are in charge of building the entire highway from Kingston to Port Antonio. Now, they have subcontracted out certain sections of the highway to local contractors. 10 local subcontractors are working on this project. They work on different sections. And the sections that they work on are behind schedule. They're delayed, they're filled with problems, residents complaining. It has gotten so bad that the residents have actually blocked the road. Protests. Police have to be called in, that kind of thing. Reminds you of no, it doesn't, but so I doubt the highway will be finished in the entire project finished in 2025, but wow, look at this road. And this is why the residents are blocking the road, because they're saying, Jesus, the state of the road is terrible. Even though you're doing construction, you cannot leave it in this state. And you see the road that these people have to drive on this road every day because the highway is not open yet. So that's what they're complaining about. Wow. Okay, well, you can see why. It's terrible. I cannot believe they left the road in that state. Alright, so now we're going on the finished section, this is the section now from Grants Pen to Albion. This section is finished, and as you can see, very nice roadway. Well, I shouldn't say this section is finished. This side of the highway is finished. It's going to be 4 lanes, but these 2 lanes have been completed, and they're working on the 2 lanes to the right. So this is the finished section of the highway. As you can see, a very nice highway. Just look at that view. Now the cars go down and up on these 2 lanes, but when finished, it will be 2 lanes in this direction, 2 lanes in the other direction. And you can see the speeding that's happening on this highway already, but I guess to each their own. Okay, so very nice road. Now here you can see an example of what it will look like. You can see the 2 lanes on the other side, although they're not paved yet. Now that turn off there will take you to Grand Spend. I must say this is a very impressive road. Even though it has not been finished yet, you can see the actual roadway, you can see the routes, and can you imagine when it's finished? This is a very nice stretch of road, I must say. And this just gives you an idea of what the entire highway from Kingston to Port Antonio is going to look like. It's not going to be 4 lanes in every section, but from Kingston to Albion is going to be 4 lanes, and then from Albion to Yalos is going to be 2 lanes. Okay, very, very nice. Very impressed with it. Now, can you imagine if every main road in Jamaica looked like that? Wow. Alright, so this section now is still under construction. On the left, you can see where the highway is going to run. So we are now going into the Albion section. I should say the Albion area. There is a highway on the left. Remember, it's still under construction, so... But this is what the people are complaining about. Now, you see, imagine if you have to use this road every day. No wonder why the people block the road. This is ridiculous. Mark you, it's a work in progress. There's construction. But they could have left the road in a better state than this. Now, can you imagine when it rains? When it rains, the state that this road is in? This is what the people are complaining about. Alright guys, well, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.